Engineers have been working on flying cars since the early 90s. And this idea of flying cars is getting more real every year. So here we are with 5 amazing flying cars. Number 1. Aeromobile. Aeromobile has made the coolest flying car that could soon be under commercial production. This car can switch from drive to fly mode in just 3 minutes. It took about 300,000 hours of engineering to build this amazing mini aircraft. Number 2. Paul-V Liberty. This is another legal flying car that's into production. Unlike other flying cars with fixed wings, the Paul-V Liberty is a 3-wheel gyrocopter with propellers. The company Paul-V already took permission in 2021 for the Liberty to be driven on European roads. Number 3. Clean Vision. It has made the incredible flying car that has already been cleared for takeoff by Slovak Transportation Authority. This car can convert from a 2-seater small car into a mini aircraft in just 2 minutes. It is equipped with a 160 HP BMW engine that can cruise at 8,200 feet with a maximum speed of 190 km per hour. Number 4. Terrafugia Transition. The Terrafugia Transition has foldable wings and a twin tail with easy and traditional car-like controllers. This car can actually fly at a maximum altitude of 10,000 feet. This 2-passenger flying car has an estimated price tag of $400,000. Number 5. I-Tech Maverick. The I-Tech Maverick is a parachute-powered aircraft with a rollable fuselage. It is equipped with the largest powered parachute certified by the FAA. The Maverick received Experimental Aircraft Airworthiness certification in 2008. Which flying car are you waiting to ride on? Tell us in our comments. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and also like it.